Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to connect Meta Business Suite to Shopify. First, go to your Shopify admin and click on Apps, then click Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search field to find Facebook and Instagram by Meta. It's the one developed by Meta. Click Install, and the app will add itself to your sales channels. Once it's installed, open the Facebook and Instagram channel from your Shopify admin and click Start Setup. This launches the Setup Wizard. The first screen asks you to connect your Facebook account. Click Connect Account and log in with the personal Facebook account that has admin access to your business page and Meta Business portfolio. A Facebook login pop-up will appear. Enter your credentials, click Continue, and grant the permissions Shopify requests. Next, you'll connect your business assets. You'll see drop-down menus for 4 things: your business manager, Facebook page, ad account, and commerce account. Select the business manager that owns your page and ad account. Then choose the Facebook page where your products will appear. It needs to be published and linked to your business manager. Pick your ad account next. For the commerce account, if you don't have one yet, Shopify will create it during this step. If you want to sell on Instagram, select your Instagram business account from the list on the next screen. If it doesn't appear, go to business.facebook.com, open Settings, then Accounts, then Instagram Accounts, and connect your Instagram there first. Come back to Shopify and continue. Once your Instagram account shows up, select it and click Connect. Now, you'll choose your data sharing level. You'll see 3 options: Conservative, Enhanced, or Maximum. Select Maximum. This uses the Conversions API to send data directly from Shopify to Meta, which gets around ad blockers and gives you better campaign performance. Next, connect your Meta pixel. If you already have a pixel, select it from the drop-down to keep your historical data. If not, choose Create New Pixel. The app automatically adds it to every page of your store, no manual code needed. For the product catalog, select Create New Catalog unless you already have one in Meta Commerce Manager. Shopify will sync your products automatically and keep everything updated whenever you change prices or stock levels. On the Business Details screen, enter your contact email and set a return window for customers. Click Save once you're done. Finally, read Meta's seller agreement, check the box, and click Submit for review. Don't refresh the page while the setup finalizes. It only takes a few minutes. Once it's done, your store is connected. Your products will sync automatically to Facebook, but for Instagram shopping, you need to submit a separate review request inside the Facebook and Instagram channel. Also, double-check your tax settings in Shopify under Settings, then Taxes and Duties. You're responsible for collecting sales tax on Facebook and Instagram orders. If Meta asks you to verify your domain, complete that through the channel settings so your shop doesn't get restricted. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.